Hello students, this is Jagan Babu, working as Assistant Professor in RMD Engineering College, Kavarapetai. Subject name is Control System. This is for second year ECE students, art semester. This is unit number 4. Concept is root locus. Very important problem for a semester point of view. How to solve this root locus problem? So directly given the final answer graph here. Let me go with the step by step for the problem. Okay. Problem. Sketch the root locus of the system whose open loop transfer function g of s is equal to k divided by s into s plus 2 into s plus 4. Find the value of k. Show that the damping ratio of the closed loop system is 0.5. Solution. Take the given g of s, k divided by s into s plus 2 into s plus 4. Step number 1. Locate the poles and zeros. Poles. Denominator s plus 2, s plus 4 equal to 0. S is equal to 0, S is equal to minus 2, S is equal to minus 4. Therefore, your poles are P1 equal to 0, P2 equal to minus 2, P3 equal to minus 4. Therefore, number of poles n equal to 3, zeros, number of zeros m equal to 0. Next, find the root locus on the real axis. Plot all the three. 0, minus 2, minus 4. All three poles I marked as a x. 0 means I marked as a 0 here. Poles, zeros. This point, number of poles, real axis. So 0 to minus 2, minus 2 to minus 4, minus 4 to infinity. From the graph, 0 to minus 2, we have the pole 0. Minus 2 to minus 4, we have the two poles. Minus 4 to infinity, I have 3 poles. So this is odd, even, odd. Only odd, root locus is there. Again odd, root locus is there. For even, no root locus. Step 3. Find the angle of asymptotes and centroid. Angle of asymptotes theta is equal to plus or minus 180 degree of 2q plus 1 divided by n minus m, where q ranges from 0 to n minus m. So take q equal to 0, q equal to 1, q equal to 2, q equal to 3. Because q equal to 0, 1, dot 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 n minus m is 3. So 0 to 3. When substitute for q equal to 0, q equal to 1, q equal to 3, you'll get the answer plus or minus 60, plus or minus 180, plus or minus 300, plus or minus 420. When you come to centroid, formula is summation of poles minus summation of zeros by n minus m. You know the poles, all three poles. One is 0, minus 2, minus 4. 0, there is no zeros. 0 divided by n minus m is 3. So this is minus 6 by 3. So sigma a equal to minus 2. Third, fourth, find the breakaway point. We know the general closed loop transfer function C of s by R of s is equal to G of s divided by 1 plus G of s into H of s. The problem is given as open loop transfer function. It is mentioned as open loop transfer function. So G of s only is there in the given question. There is no H of s. You have to assume H of s is equal to 1. Therefore, C of s by R of s is equal to, write in the format of the given question, k divided by s into s plus 2 into s plus 4 divided by 1 plus k divided by s into s plus 2 into s plus 4 dot h of s is not given, assume 1. So simplify, you will get this answer. C of s by R of s equal to k divided by s into s plus 2 into s plus 4 plus k. Now the characteristic equation, you have to simplify. Denominator s into s plus 2 into s plus 4 plus k equal to 0. Simplify, you will get the answer s cube plus 6s square plus 8s plus k equal to 0. From this, k equal to, take this other part to other side, minus of s cube plus 6s plus 8s. Differentiate, you will get minus of 3s square plus 12s plus 8. After differentiating, you will get the answer of 3s square plus 12s plus 8 equals 0. Then use the calculator, find the roots, or use the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac 2a. Find the roots of one root is minus 0.845 and other root is minus 3.155. This is directly achieved from the calculator. So take the first value minus 0.845, substitute in the k term, you'll get the k equal to 3.08. Take the second value minus 3.155, substitute, you'll get the k equal to minus 3.079. These two values that this is the real value, this is the negative value, so I am considering only this k value. Therefore, breakaway point S1 equal to minus 0.875. For this, corresponding breakaway point is 0.845. Next, step 5. Angle of arrival and departure. There is no complex pole, there is no angle of arrival and departure. Last step, finding the crossover point. From this characteristic equation, replace by S equal to j omega, identify the imaginary term, identify the real term, find the k value, find the omega value. Then finally, damping ratio value is given. From this, substitute in the alpha formula, you get the answer. For this, you need to mark all the values. First, find all the three poles. Step number 1, first pole 0, second pole minus 2, third pole minus 4. Then the root locus occurs only two area. One is 0 to minus 2 range, minus 2 to minus 4 range. I have shaded in the black color sketch. Then sigma a equal to minus 2 centroid value. So this spot is a centroid minus 2. Next angle is plus or minus 60, plus or minus 180 dot dot dot. So from this you keep this, you get the angle of plus 60 here. From this you keep this angle of minus 60. Then make a dotted line like this, make a dotted line like this. The dotted line is called as asymptotes. Then breakaway point is minus 0.845. This corresponding value is a breakaway point minus 0.845. Next cross point is plus or minus 2.8. So this is plus 2.8, this is minus 2.8. Then draw the line like this with the breakaway point. Then you will get the alpha equal to 60 degree. From the origin, take 60 degree here, draw the line. This meeting point of breakaway point with this alpha value, from join all the three poles, pole 1, pole 2 and pole 3. I calculate the length pole 1, calculate the length pole 2 and pole 3. So k equal to L1, L2, L3 by L. So L is assumed as a 1. So k value is equal to 8.5. Hope you understand this graph, right? Thank you, students.